Welcome to our delicious Baileys Truffles recipe. For this delicious recipe, you'll need 350 grams of plain chocolate, 150 milliliters of extra thick double cream, 25 grams of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of Baileys or brandy, 1 tablespoon of crème fraîche, icing sugar to dust on top. Break 175 grams of the chocolate into pieces and whiz in a food processor until finely chopped. Put the cream, butter and Baileys into a small pan and bring to the boil. Switch on the processor and add the hot cream mixture to the chopped chocolate. Blend until evenly mixed. Spoon the chocolate mixture into a large bowl and stir in the crème fraîche. Cool and leave in the fridge overnight to thicken. Line a baking sheet with non-stick baking parchment. Shape the mixture into small balls with a teaspoon, then quickly roll with your hands. Melt 125 grams of the remaining chocolate in a bowl over a pan of simmering water, making sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Lift the bowl off the pan, add the last of the chocolate and stir until melted. Using a fork or cocktail stick, dip the truffles into the chocolate, then place on the lined baking sheet. Chill until set. Just before serving, dust with icing sugar. Enjoy cooking! Subscribe for new recipes.